How are we doing, everyone? We are back with another Go Mining video. Now, this one's a little different. It's not a weekly update. This one is actually going to be going over the largest Bitcoin mining farm on Go Mining that is owned probably by a single person. No one really knows. You can't really find out who owns these farms unless you actually know the person and they tell you, or they come out and admit it. But if we go over the leaderboards here and click on farms, you can see they show the ranks, you know, number 1, number 2, number 3, and then I'm number 4,219. But this guy right here, the number 1 Bitcoin mining farm on Go Mining, oh look, he's reached fucking level 20 now. He was at 19. He makes $45,140.62 a day mining Bitcoin. His yearly income for this is $16.5 million. But then again, this guy literally, like, look at the difference between the first and the second guy. 836,000 terahash with 586 fucking miners. The second guy only has 130 miners and 191,000 call it 192,000 terahash. But look at that. The other impressive thing, these guys aren't even at 20 watts of terahash yet. If they were to bring it down to 20 watts of terahash, the rewards would go up way more. Way more. I guarantee this guy would probably be sitting at about $60,000 a day income. But this is just insane. He owns so many 5,000 terahash miners. And the way that I know this is if you look at the name here, this is an address. And then over the leaderboards, if we go to miner rewards, you can see here that the top ones, besides from Eugene, they're all owned by the same guy. And they're all greedy machines. And greedy machines, they can go above 5,000 terahash. So look, he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're going to keep going. Oh, he's got, okay, yeah, up to 15. Minus this guy. This guy holds the top 15 plus miners on here. And then if you keep going, you know, obviously you're going to keep seeing him. But this is just insane, man. To have 836,658.55 terahash, bringing in over $45,000 a day. If he were to be only purchasing 5,000 terahash miners, the amount of money that he's put into this is insane. It just goes to show that this is literally not a scam and that these people are making way more money than some CEOs would be making, I would say. Some owners of companies are not making $16.5 million a year, literally doing nothing. They actually have to work. This guy just, because he's got an NFT, he's got one of these Go miners. This one I know will click your service button for you. I can't remember what this one does, but he most likely has this one. So he doesn't even have to come click a service button because I believe it's with this one, with the humans NFT. Yeah, it's automated service. So automatically clicks the service button. So if anything, this guy isn't even clicking the service button. He is just looking at his Bitcoin wallet every day and he goes, ah, beautiful, another 45,000. Say Bitcoin goes up a bit. He goes, oh, look, that's a $50,000 payment. Say it goes down a few percent. He goes, oh no, I only got $40,000 today. This is still insane. This is just insane. He's the only person with a level 20 miner. Everyone else is sitting at 17. I'm pretty sure at least a week or two ago, he was at 19. So he just got up here. But he is going to be the first person to reach 1 million terahash. That's just insane. It's just insane. I'm speechless. And if you want to be making money anywhere close to that guy, I would start with a 1 terahash at 20 watts of terahash miner for only $26.99. And if you use my referral link down in the description below, you will earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. So say you purchase a 96 terahash miner, because they don't have a 100 terahash miner, obviously. You're going to get an extra 4.8 terahash absolutely for free. And we can see right here, 4 terahash alone is worth $103. So you're getting $100 for free in terahash. Not to mention the Bitcoin that it comes with it that it mines. Or, you know, you got the money, you got the balls, and you want to do it, you can buy a 1,000 terahash miner off the bat, 20 watts of terahash for $23,000, and you'll be making $25 a day after maintenance fees. Technically, you'll be making $55 a day, but you got to pay, you know, service and electricity fees, just the way it is. But your ROI is going to be at about, you know, 38% or around there. But if you're like the big boy, you want to buy a 5,000 terahash miner, quit your job, just have this make you money. Well, it's going to cost you $108,000, but you're going to be making $120 a day doing nothing. Your ROI is going to be 40% because, you know, why not? But here we go. If you have even more money to spend, put it at 15 watts of terahash. Now you're making $148 a day, but it is going to cost you $136,372.99. But in the end, you've purchased a full-time job that is so much less stressful than actually, you know, commuting to a job, working for someone you don't give a fuck about, and basically being their bitch. When here you could come, purchase a miner, slowly work your way up from 1 terahash to 5,000 terahash, and be making $54,000 a year at current Bitcoin prices doing nothing. But say Bitcoin goes to $150,000. Well, now you're making $81,000 a year doing absolutely nothing because you purchased a full-time job, basically manager position. Not too bad. Not too bad. So yeah, referral link will be down in the description below. You earn an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase when you use it. So I would say go big or go home, or start out small and learn to build up. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon, and keep mining that Bitcoin. Bye-bye.